Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us have a look at how to search for your Aadhaar status. So when you go and register Aadhaar in any of the other enrollment centers, you get some printed page from the center saying your enrollment number, date and time. So using that, how to search it online and see whether it is generated successfully or it was rejected with some reasons. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, I would request you to subscribe our channel to get all the video updates. Also press the bell button below, and if you like the video, end of the video, you can give a like to us. Thank you very much. Let us start. So when you give an Aadhaar enrollment, you get something like this. Okay, so left side on top you can see enrollment number. It will be for 5 plus 5 plus 4 14-digit enrollment number and separated by slash. Okay, so you have the enroll number here. Now we go to open a Google Chrome page and type my Aadhaar and click on the first link where UID and my Aadhaar. And here if you scroll down a little bit, there is an option for check status. You can see here, this is a check status button I was talking about. Just click on this check status button. It will take you to the page where you can check the status of your Aadhaar, and you can see the option is EID, right? Enrollment ID, which is 14-digit number. So from the previously I was showing you a print page where the left corner top there is 14-digit enrollment ID, and I'm entering it here. And there is an option for below. You can see here there is a calendar icon, and that is optional. In this page, in the search page, date and time is optional. You don't need to give it. You need to enter only the captcha here. After entering the 14-digit EID, give the captcha and click outside anywhere here on see, you can see here EID is a star. Now after entering the valid EID, click outside anywhere on this page. You can see EID has become green. That means your EID is correct. Now enter the captcha and click on check status. Now if you click on check status, you can see here in this case the Aadhaar enrollment is in process. That means I have given it for as a new Aadhaar, and the enrollment takes somewhere like 10 days to get it reflected online. So before 10 days if you check, it reflects like this: your Aadhaar enrollment is in process. Okay, now when you see when it is generated, the same Aadhaar, when I search, you can see congratulations, your Aadhaar is generated. So now when it is generated, we can download it online. If you scroll a little bit down, there is an option download e-Aadhaar. Okay, so you need to keep it checking, right? So once you get it enrolled and get the form printed, after 1 week or so, you can start checking it online. The same page I am showing it here. This URL is you can check it on laptop, PC or mobile, anywhere you can check it. It's very easy. Just you have to open a Google Chrome page and give this URL. Now once it is see if it's under process, or as I have seen, it's as I have shown you, it's under progress. You keep checking next day. Okay, one day you can each day you can start checking. Once you get this congratulations message, only you are going to get the Aadhaar soft copy downloaded. Okay, just remember that. Okay, now we are going to click on this download e-Aadhaar link here, and it will ask you some details. So what are the details? You can download your e-Aadhaar with, it will be okay, when you download it will be a password protected file. I'll tell you what will be the default password. And there is 3 options to search the Aadhaar. You can see here: Aadhaar number, enrollment ID or virtual ID. Okay, so in this case, for example, by default Aadhaar number is enabled, so you have to give 12-digit UID. So if you are doing it for the first time, obviously you don't have an Aadhaar, you might not have Aadhaar number, but you have enrollment ID, which you have just shown some time back. Okay, so this is the place you have to enter the captcha and click on send OTP. The OTP comes. So in my case, for example, I have to enter this 12-digit UID of Aadhaar number, whatever you have, and click on send OTP. OTP comes on your mobile, and you can download your Aadhaar anytime. It's a color print, it comes up. Now for example, in this case I have the Aadhaar number and I am entering. That means the Aadhaar is already generated. I know my Aadhaar number. So what if I don't know? It's a 12-digit UID. Aadhaar number is 12-digit UID. So what if I do not know the Aadhaar number? So I have just enrollment freshly. Click on the enrollment ID. You can see here I just click on the enrollment ID here. So that time it will ask you 14 digit enrollment ID. So Aadhaar number is 12 digit, enrollment ID is 14 digit, and enrollment ID you can get from the page where you have shown the I have shown you the print of the Aadhaar. Once you make for the first time in the center, they'll give you a print, right, acknowledgement. So on that, enrollment ID will be there. So there is another option of virtual ID. So virtual ID is 16 digit number. So if you have once you generate the Aadhaar, you get a virtual ID on your mobile. So that also you can use, but it will be 16 digit. So in this case, let us have a look at, because if you are making Aadhaar for the first time, what you will have only is enrollment ID, right? The form will be given to you, the acknowledgement with enrollment ID of 14 digit. So just let us see for the first time or for the beginner how to get the Aadhaar downloaded. So enter the enrollment ID here and click on the send OTP captcha here. So before that, you have to do one more thing. You have to enter the calendar date and time also. See here I have entered date and time, and after entering the 14-digit enrollment ID, click on the calendar icon, and on your if you check the acknowledgement slip given from the center, Aadhaar enrollment center, you will have the time recorded here. It is date, the same format you will see on my screen. See here, this is my enrollment ID I got, time I got on my Aadhaar enrollment slip. You can see here the same thing I am entering with the slash, and then time also with it comes automatically when you click on the calendar, and you can change the value to whatever it is there on the slip. Once this both the details are correct, you click on send OTP. You get the OTP on the mobile which you had given while enrolling the Aadhaar. See, I got the OTP now, right? So it will come to the mobile which is enrolled by making the Aadhaar. And if you enter the OTP and click down, you can see some surveys that you can give as per your what you feel about how many days you receive the reprint of Aadhaar and stuff. I have not yet received means I'll give I did not receive it. Hard copy I have not yet received it. And then you can click on verify and download. Okay, once this is done, there is a password protected. The file will be downloaded, Aadhaar file. Once you click on the Aadhaar file, it say ask for your password. So now let us have a look at what is the default password. Okay, before open you need the password. So default password is this way. Okay, so what is the default password? Example is given correctly here. So if your candidate name is something like Raunak Singh, and your date of birth year is 1991, so what you are going to here give as password is round and 1991. That means in capital letters for first four digit of your candidate, first four alphabet of name of your candidate. If it is Raun, you can see in this example Raunak, and they have taken RAUL, and date of birth year, only year is needed, 1991. So it's RAUL 1991. The same way your candidates first four alphabets of the name and the date of year, and four letters of your name should be in capital letter. You can see here the example is capital letter, four letters of name, and plus what you have to do is the year, date of year. Okay, date of birth only year is needed, 1991. Once it is done, you can see the Aadhaar is opened and you are happy to go. You can see here digitally signed one, all the digital signatures, Aadhaar number is here. You can see 12-digit Aadhaar number, photo of the candidate. So everything is ready to go, and hard copy will come shortly to your home. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, also give a like to our video. Please don't forget. Also subscribe and press bell button so that you get notifications of our video upload. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.